Hello, thank you for joining me on this class. We are going to look at some of the rules of integration. We want to look at the rules that are used in integration. If f and g are functions of x, then the first one here is the integral of f of x plus or minus g of x dx is equal to the integral of f of x dx plus or minus integral of g of x dx. This means that the integral of a sum or difference of a finite number of functions is the sum of their separate integrals. This rule may be extended to any finite number of functions. And this is it. We can have f1, f2, f3 and so on. So the second one is if p is any real number, then the integral of p f of x dx is equal to p times the integral of f of x dx. That is, a constant factor may be brought outside the integral sign. And the third one here is if we have the integral of x to the power n dx, it will be equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. Here n is a constant and n is not equal to minus 1. C is called the constant of integration. Thus, to integrate x to the power n with respect to x, we do the following. First, we increase the index or power of x by 1. Second, we divide by the new power, and then lastly, we add c, the constant of integration. So these are the steps that we can follow while integrating. Now we'll go to what we call the standard form. To find f of x given g of x means that we have to retrace the steps we made in the process of differentiation and then add an arbitrary constant. Unfortunately, there is no general method for doing this, but a few of the common integrals can be stated from our knowledge of differentiation, and these results are known as the standard forms. Now we look at some of these standard forms. The first one is the integral of sine x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. And second one, integral of cos x dx is equal to sine x plus c. And then number 3, the integral of exponent x dx is equal to exponent x plus c. Number 4, the integral of dx over x is equal to log x base e plus c. We know that log x base e is equal to ln x, so that will be ln x plus c. Number 5, the integral of dx over a squared plus x squared is equal to 1 over a arctan x over a plus c. Then the sixth one, we have integral of dx over square root of a squared minus x squared is equal to arc sine x over a plus c, where a is a constant. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to this channel.